Okay, for this activity, you are going to put your map skills to the test. Notice you have a map key. You have all these symbols on your map key, which you can see on your map. And you also have your compass rose with your cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. So number 1 says, which direction should you go to get from the grocery store to the police station? So first I need to look at my map key. I need to go down, I need to find the grocery store. So it's this shopping cart. So now I'm going to find the grocery store on my map. Here it is. So go ahead and put your finger at the grocery store. But next we have to figure out where the police station is. So I have to go back to my map key. Find the police station. Here's the symbol for police station. If I look on my map, I can see police station here. So if I want to go from the grocery store, and I want to travel to the police station, using my compass rose here, what direction would I travel? I'm going from here to here. So I'm traveling east. So on the line, you're going to write east. E-A-S-T. Number 2, what street is the hospital on? So again, go to your map key, find hospital. Here's the symbol for hospital. You're going to find where the hospital is on the map, and then whatever the street name is, you're going to write that down right here. The spelling should be correct because the spelling is on the paper. Press pause while you do this. Number 3, which direction do you go to get from the police station to the post office? So remember, we already found the police station on our map key. The symbol was here. So here's the police station. So if I'm going from the police station to the post office, look on your map key again. Here's the post office. Look at the symbol and find it on your map. And now you're going to travel from the police station and draw your finger to where the post office is. Did you travel north, south, east, or west? You're going to write that down right here. Press pause if you need more time. Number 4, what street is the library on? Find library on your map key, find the symbol, find library on your map, and then write what street it's on. Press pause if you need more time. Number 5 says, how many churches are on the map? So I need to find church here. So find the symbol for church, and then look on the map because you're probably going to find more than one. Whatever number you find, you're going to write it right here. Number 6, it says, what is beside the school? Remember, beside means like next to. So you're going to have to go on your map again. You're going to figure out where school, here's your symbol for school. Find the school, but then there's symbols next to it. So you're going to have to look at the symbols and look on your map key, find the symbol and tell me what it stands for. And then you're going to write it right here. Remember, press pause if you need more time. And then number 7 says, which direction do you head to get from the post office to the school? So find the post office. Here's the symbol on my map key. Start at the post office. Drag your finger to the school, which you should have already found. What direction did you go? Did you go north, south, east, or west? And write that down here. Listen to this again if you need to hear it again. And please don't forget your name.